Maybe you've been in love before, but no two loves are the same. Sometimes what we think is love is simply lust. While other times what we think is nothing actually ends up being full-out love. But you can learn the signs you're in love with him to figure out what you're actually feeling. 1. You have them on your mind 24/7. It's safe to say you're addicted. You think about him all the time, but really, all the time. Every moment of the day, you're thinking about his jokes, his laugh, the way he chews, all these small details no one else pays attention to. If you can't seem to think straight, well, it looks like you're suffering from the love bug. 2. Your eyes are glued on him. If you're staring at your partner every chance you get, it could be a good sign you're in love. Eye contact has always been a strong indicator of romantic feelings. People lock eyes with people they feel a romantic connection with, and it makes sense. You're not going to stare at someone you're not interested in. 3. You try new things. Before you met him, you had a long list of things you would never do. But now that you're in love, well, you're willing to try everything. Skydiving? Sure. Safari ride in Africa? Count yourself in. When you're in love, you're willing to try things your partner enjoys. 4. You feel like you're drunk. You don't need to drink or smoke, you're already feeling high from love. You've heard it in songs, but now you're experiencing it yourself. When we're in love, our brains function the same way as if we're high. Crazy, right? Dopamine is released into the body, which gives us the euphoric feeling. This is why people who are in love are considered to be crazy. 5. Their quirks turn you on. When you're in love, the small things that make them who they are become a turn on and even make you fall deeper in love. Maybe he has a crooked nose or a chipped tooth. On any other guy, you wouldn't appreciate these small quirks, but on him, you can't get enough.